If you are looking for a low competitive and high CPM niche, you just click the correct video. I'm 100% sure that no other YouTuber has revealed this niche. Just like the dark psychology video, after I reveal this niche and show you how to make videos for that niche, more than 20 channels copied that exact concept. Within the next few days, they will probably copy this video as well. So, if you are watching this video as soon as I uploaded it, you are a lucky person because you can start this niche as soon as I finish this video. Without more nonsense, let me reveal this niche. This niche is called the crypto news niche. With the TikTok creativity program and YouTube, you can probably make thousands of dollars with this niche. Don't worry, you don't need to know about crypto to make videos. I will show you a step-by-step process to make videos for this niche with the power of AI. The best thing about this niche is that it falls under the financial category. If you watched my previous video, you must know that the financial niche is one of the highest CPM niches on TikTok and YouTube. So, not like other niches, this one will pay you a lot of money. The next crazy thing is, a lot of people don't even know a niche like this exists. That's why we have the advantage. You can enter the competition earlier and go viral. Before we start, I must say, this niche is not simple like the previous niches. You have to work hard and put a lot of effort into creating videos. If you can't do that, just close this video. This is not for you. You must upload at least 2 new videos per day. If you can't do it, don't even start this niche. Before going into the tutorial, I would like to thank you guys for the support. Your support motivates me to find viral niches and make tutorials for those. If my videos are helpful, please hit the like button and leave a comment. If you have any questions, drop a comment and I will share my Instagram, and then you can directly message me. Don't worry, it's all for free. And one more thing, I have created a new YouTube channel. It's about new AI technologies. If you are interested in that, link is in the description. First, let me show you an example video I created.
Bitcoin, the pioneer of cryptocurrencies, has been making headlines recently with a phenomenal surge in its price. In just the past 2 weeks, we've witnessed a jaw-dropping increase of nearly $10,000, propelling Bitcoin to reach heights it hasn't seen in over 18 months. As of Thursday, Bitcoin soared above $35,000, marking a significant milestone not witnessed since May 2022. This surge has propelled its overall market cap beyond a staggering $700 billion.
First, let me give you the steps that we are going to do in the next few minutes. First, we need to create a video script. Then, we need to create voiceovers for that. The next step is to create a talking avatar to present the video. Then, we need to find suitable images for the video. Finally, we need to make the final output using a video editor. Let's start with the first step. We need to find the latest crypto news. What you can do is go to Google and search for the latest crypto news and find a good article about that news. As you can see here, I have found this specific news about the crypto world in this article. The problem is we can't directly use this due to copyright issues, but we can read the whole article and convert it to our own words. Or we can ask ChatGPT to rewrite this article in a unique way as a script for video. Let me show you how to do that. Go to ChatGPT and ask like this: can you rewrite the following article in a unique way as a video script, and then copy that article. As you can see here, ChatGPT generated a unique video script for us from that article. We can use this for our example video. The next step is to create voiceovers. Elabs is one of the best and most realistic text-speech AI voice generators. There are a lot of AI voices in Elabs. You can even clone your voice with this. So, you don't have to worry about buying expensive equipment for voice recording. And most importantly, you can monetize your videos using this voices. You can sign up for free. It will give free 10,000 characters. Now, let's check several AI voices and select a suitable one for this video.
Trust yourself. You know more than you think you do.
This one is good for historical videos. Not for this one, let's check another one.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
I don't think this one is suitable either. If you click this Add Voice button and click Voice Library, you can get access to more voices. By selecting suitable keywords from this top menu, you can get voices related to each category, so I will select social media. Let's try this one.
Experience is not what happens to a man. It is what a man does with what happens to him.
This voice is suitable for our project, so let's select it. Now, all you need to do is copy the script we generated and create the voiceovers. It's as simple as that. Do this for all parts of the video script. The next step is to create a talking avatar as a presenter for our videos. First, we need to create a suitable character. For that, I will use Leonardo AI. It's a free AI image generator similar to Midjourney, but Leonardo AI will give you free credits every day, so you don't need to pay for it. Go to Leonardo AI and select a suitable AI model from these images, and click Generate using this model. You can use this same prompt if you want, or you can create a unique character with a new prompt. It's up to you. If you are not satisfied with the results, try again. If you want to add different characteristics, you can change the prompt like this. In this case, I will add the word news presenter. I really like this one, I will use it for this video. Now we need to animate this character like talking avatar. For that, I will use Studio DID. First, you will have to sign up for this. They will give you 20 free credits. After you sign up, you will come to this page. Then select Create Video button. Now, here you can upload your character. Click this Add button and upload your character. After that, you can either type your script or upload the audio file of voiceovers here. I will add the audio file, and then click Generate Video. Within a few seconds, it will generate your talking avatar video, then you can just download it. The problem with Studio DID is, in the free version they put a huge watermark, if you can't afford the paid plan. I have an alternate method. It's called VidNaz AI. It has a free plan without watermark on it. The only problem with this AI is that it takes several minutes to generate the talking avatars. First, you need to sign up. Then go to the Create Avatar option. Then click this Create Video button. After you select the blank page, you will come to this page. From here, select this option called Avatar, then select Talking Photo. Just like Studio DID, you can upload the character image to this. Then you can select the full image option from top menu. It will remove the circle. Then change this image size to fit the surface area. Go to the upload voice and add the voiceovers to this clip. Then click Generate. It will take a few minutes to make this video. Then you can download it. Let's go to the next step. First, we need to find several images related to this news from Google. So, go to Google and search for that. And download suitable images. You can find those images easily from Google. Then, if you want, you can generate some images using Leonardo AI related to crypto world. In this case, it should be related to Bitcoin. Just like this, you can generate or download images for your script. Now let's edit the final output. To edit all these, you can use either Adobe Premiere Pro or CapCut. For this example, let's use CapCut. It's a free video editor, and you can download it to your mobile or computer. After you download it, follow these steps. First, start a new project and select a suitable size for your video by clicking this Modify button. Select 9:16 ratio. Then import all the voiceovers and images to this. First, drag the voiceovers to the timeline like this. Then, drag the talking avatar video on top of it and adjust its size to cover the lower part of this video just like this. Then, all you need